So you can see right here in my email inbox, just a few days ago, I was able to generate a $2,000 commission, a $25 commission, a $2,000 commission, and another $500 commission, all in just one day, making the total over $4,000. But it's not just me. You can see Nate right here generated a $2,000 commission in just one day. This was 23 hours ago. You can see right here, Miles, another $2,000 commission generated while shopping at the mall. And in this video, I'm going to reveal an incredibly powerful 5-minute free method for affiliate marketing that will allow you to generate $2,000 or more a day, even if you don't have a website, a following, or any experience online. I'm literally going to share every single step as far as the exact affiliate system myself and newbies from around the world have been using to generate these $2,000 commissions like clockwork. Then I'm going to walk you through a super simple free traffic method you can use to get tons of targeted clicks to your affiliate link so you can start making these daily commissions passively for months to come. So be sure you stay until the entire video. So if you're excited to learn this, be sure to like the video to let me know. Also comment "Let's go" below to show others you're serious about creating income online. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in to the very first step. So the very first step is we need to actually set up this system so we can start earning these high ticket commissions. Now there's going to be a link directly below. When you go to that link, you'll get taken to a page that looks something like this. It may be slightly different, but you want to click the button on the page. You want to put your best Gmail address in there and then click continue. And ultimately, you're going to get taken to a free webinar. Now, after you watch that free webinar, you'll get taken to this back office where you can go ahead and set up these different income streams. Now, the very first income stream is where we can make these 100% instant paying $2,000 commissions that I'm promoting, I'm using, and other people are using as well. You can go ahead and activate that income stream right there. You put your affiliate ID in this box and click save. Now, once you follow that free training webinar, you set up your system, which takes just about 5 minutes. Now, what we want to do is we want to get this affiliate link. Now, as I've shared in a lot of my videos, you don't just want to send people directly to a sales page. You want to send someone to a capture page here so you can follow up through emails. Now, the cool thing about this system is this gives you the capture page, all the follow-up emails that go out for you. So all you have to do is get people to go to this link here and they will start to get followed up with when they put their email address in. So once you set up your system, again, just 5-10 minutes max, you want to save that affiliate link somewhere handy. And now the free traffic method we're going to be using is Pinterest. Now, if you've tried Pinterest in the past or not, I want you to watch this video. I'm going to share an incredibly simple, mind-blowingly easy method you can use to start to get tons of clicks to your affiliate link. So the first step is to create a business account on Pinterest. It's free to do. You can see I've created one here, and just barely even focusing on Pinterest at all, I'm still generating 2,000 monthly views. That's 2,000 potential people that will see my link in my bio. They'll see my post here and they will start to get led to that affiliate system and decide to buy. Okay, so again, it's very easy. I'm not going to bore you with how to create an account. It's very simple. But once you do, you want to actually focus on a few main things. Okay, number one is you want to put in your bio something very specific. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make these $2,000 commissions. So this system right here is in the make money online home business niche. So that's the Pinterest type we're going to be creating. So you want to create something. Now you can copy my exact bio here. Okay, I teach people how to make money with affiliate marketing. You could write something like, I teach people how to make high ticket commissions. You just want to give them a statement that is going to be very benefit driven. Okay, so what is the benefit you're giving people when they subscribe and follow your Pinterest profile? Okay, now the reason we want to create a business profile is it's going to give you data such as analytics where you can see trends, you can see different audience insights so you can scale up and find out what type of posts are working. The main thing too is inside of your bio, you want to put your affiliate link. Now, I highly recommend you don't just put this long link here because it's very unattractive. It's very long. What we can do is go over to a free site called tinyurl.com. What you do is you go to that site, you take your affiliate link, you paste it in there, and then you hit make tinyurl. And what that does does is it shortens it, okay? So now it's a lot shorter, it's more attractive. We can copy this and we can go back to Pinterest and we can put that in right there. So I'll just save this in the notepad here because I'm gonna use it for the method a little bit later, but that's the setup, okay? Very simple. You can put a photo here. You can just go to Google Images, okay? You can type in something like, you know, lifestyle, okay? Because when people want to make money online, they want to have a good lifestyle. I can say lifestyle, you know, beach, and then just see kind of a good photo here. I could take this photo and just make this my photo right there. So once your Pinterest profile is set up, again, it does not take a lot of time. Just do the bare minimum, okay, to get going. Once we do that, we're going to actually start posting pins on our profile. Now, before you freak out, before you think, you know, Garrett, I see these videos here, you have your face out there. You're not gonna have to put your face out there. And in fact, you're not even gonna have to create your own videos. So what you wanna do is, first off, we wanna go to Pinterest and we wanna search right here. Now, for this method, and this method works in any niche, but I'm gonna be using it for this affiliate program and this niche, which is make money online. What works great is luxury type videos, okay? Because again, when people want to make money online, they want to actually have a luxury lifestyle, okay? So we type luxury in, we go down here. Now what we're looking for are specifically videos, okay? So let's see, this may be a video here. Okay, so you can see right here, this is, you know, some cars, some fancy luxury cars. And again, the reason we're finding these luxury videos is people that want to make money online are typically wanting a luxury lifestyle. And we use videos like this to get views. We can leverage those views and get that to turn into clicks to our affiliate link, which will be money in our pocket. So once you find a good luxury video on Pinterest, all you have to do is go to the top link, copy that, and then go over to another free site called experttrick.com. Okay, all the links referenced are going to be in the description down below. What this site does is it allows you to actually download videos that are on Pinterest. So what you can do is just paste in that video URL, hit download, and then all it's going to do is allow you to download that video just like there. Okay, so when you paste that in, it's going to take you here, and all you have to do is click these three little dots and click download, and that will download to your device. Now, very, very simple. Once it's downloaded, we want to go back to Pinterest and we want to go up here to create, and we want to create a pin. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to click here and we want to upload that video that we just downloaded from Pinterest back onto Pinterest on our own profile. So let me do that right now. Okay, so you can see I've uploaded that video right there. That looks really good. Again, it's luxury, so it's fitting the niche that we're in, which is the make money online niche. Now for the title, we don't just want to put some random title. We want to think very strategically. What happens when people go to Pinterest is they go here and they start searching, okay? So if I show you right here in another tab, what happens is people will go here, they'll search, and they'll search things like how to make money online. And they'll search this, and what happens is Pinterest will rank these pins based on keywords, okay? So you can see how to make money online, make easy money online, okay? So these popular pins are ranking, and what we want to do is we want to understand that, and we want to put a title that has a keyword, so this video will start ranking when people search that in, and we can start to get passive free traffic for years to come, okay? So we can type this in, and you just want to type in a few words like how to make money online, something like that, and we want to look at what keywords are showing, okay? Because Pinterest is going to actually list different keywords that other people are searching. So if we use these keywords, we know they're popular. So it says how to make money online, how to make money in Nigeria, how to make money online for free. We can also do, you know, best online business. So best online business ideas, best online business to start. Okay, so that's actually really good. Best online business to start. I can type that in. Best way to start an online business. So you can see you keep getting these keyword ideas, but I'm going to take that keyword here and I'm going to make that my title. Okay, best online business to start. Now you can add a few more words. We only have 71 more characters. I'm going to add it just to make it a little bit more clickbaity. Best online business to start. You won't believe how easy it is. So you can see right there, and I can make this a little bit more, okay, good like that. So that's pretty darn good. Now right here, you can write a little description about what this is about. So you can say, you know, do you want to live a luxury lifestyle? Be sure to watch this video and click the link to find out how how to live this way. Okay, so again, whatever niche you're in, if you're in the, you know, health and fitness niche, you want to write a description that relates to the video you're posting, but also leads them to want to click the link. Again, if you're in the make money online niche, if you click that first link and you want to promote this exact system that I'm promoting to make these $2,000 commissions, as you can see right here, then you can go ahead and just swipe this exact, you know, bio that I'm using right here, this description. That's fine by me. For tags, you want to put some tags in. This will also help it rank right here. So we can type in, you know, make money, and you can see they're going to show you some relevant tags. So I can do finance and money. I can do, you know, business. So you just want to put, you know, 2 to 3 tags in there. And then where it says add a destination link, we want to open this up and we want to copy our tiny URL, our shortened link, and we want to put it in right there. So now let me break down again what we've done. We found a good video that already existed. Again, we did not create this video. We found it, and you can actually see, if you can see right there, it says TikTok. So the person that posted it on Pinterest actually found it on TikTok. So we want to post that video. We want to put a title in that has to do with a keyword that people are actually searching. We can add a few more words to make it more attention grabbing. Put in a good description with a call to action, okay, telling them to click the link. Put some tags in that are relevant and put that tiny URL. And then what we want to do is publish. Now I'm actually publishing this on my profile because this method works incredibly well. Now what I'm going to do as you keep watching this video is I'm going to share 2 more places you can find good videos to actually post on your Pinterest to get even more traffic. The next place is YouTube. So if you go to YouTube, YouTube Shorts are very, very popular. You can see right here that if I go to the tab under Shorts, they have all these different shorts, okay, that people are posting, and a lot of these are getting thousands and thousands of views, okay? So what we can do is we can go to YouTube and I can type in luxury hashtag shorts, because when you include the hashtag shorts, there's going to be a good chance that they show shorts rather than just long videos. So as this loads, we just want to look down here and we want to find a good short. So this one right here could be perfect. Now what you can do is you can right click and go copy link address. We're just copying the URL to that YouTube short. We can go to another free site called ytshorts.savetube.me. Again, all the links are down below. All you have to do is the same process. Paste this in, you know, click get video. While it's loading, we're going to download this YouTube short. Okay, so just click get link, download. And once that's downloaded, we just repeat the same process. We go to Pinterest, create pin, upload that YouTube short, and do the same process. Now, one more place you can find good videos to post on Pinterest is Instagram. So if I go to Instagram and I just go to this search bar here and I go ahead and type in, you know, luxury, I can usually find, you know, big profiles that are going to have videos that I can go ahead and use. Okay, so you can see this one right here is a video. So I can go ahead and go up to the top, copy the link to this video. Then I go to another free site, iGram.io. Each of these sites are specific for that social media site. So Instagram has an Instagram downloader, Pinterest has a Pinterest downloader. I paste that in, click download, and it's going to download that video. So it generated. All I do is I click download here. Okay, it's downloading to my computer. And again, the same process. I would upload it here. So those are 3 powerful places you can go to find other people's videos. You can upload them to your profile here. And what you want to do is be consistent. Okay, so the more you post, the better. If you can stick to posting 1 video a day, you're going to be planting seeds. You can see that I've just posted these, 374 views, 300 views. Now you don't need a ton of views, okay? Just, you know, 300 views that are very targeted are going to be great, and you're going to send them to your link. And again, if you're using the link down below, you will get a capture page that will automatically follow up with your leads for up to 30 days with the link to your affiliate link in those emails. When someone sets up their system, they decide to buy, you can start to generate these commissions just like me and just like all these people right here. Okay, it's absolutely incredible. Ozzy right here, just people, you know, Jeff right here, $2,000 commission. Go down below, like the video if you got value. That will tell me to make more trainings just like this one. Also be sure to subscribe to the bell icon. And until next time, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.